Pull that back.
Shiny one. Christ. Right, welcome back. Last video on the MX5, we got it running. I'm trying to think what we did because these videos are all like jumbled up. But anyway, we got it running. This video we are going to go a good clean. I'm not going to bore you with a clean, but we'll give it a quick clean. A little polish maybe. Give that a go. But also I've got some parts for it. I don't know if you remember the last video I showed you the light. The lens had like a little crack or a hole in it. We're going to sort that out. I was just going to buy a lens, but a friend of mine had a spare light, so I'll just change the whole unit. It's easier rather than peeling off the lens. You can, if you click that little link up there, you can see how the lens comes off of them when I did it, because I fitted little halo rings in them. So if you want to watch that. But yeah, also got a gear knob because that rip speed one was horrific, and a handbrake thing as well. So lots to do. Let's go and have a go. Coming up lovely. Snow foam will be used. Forced some of that. Rinsed that off. Snow foamed. Then sponge washed it. Then what do we do? Just wash it off, rinse it off, don't we? That's it. So it's much better than it was. I don't know what this is. Like some sort of weird mark on it. Wheels need another good scrub, I think.
Quite a lot of scratches and stuff.
Yeah, I think it's where it had that. I reckon it's had a tarpaulin on it or something. Because the roof leaked. There's just scratches all over there.
Make sure it starts.
Glorious.com. Yeah, it can do.
The keys in it?
No.
That's a much nicer place to be in here now.
It's nice, isn't it?
Oh, there's quite a lot of foam in here though.
Uh-oh. Snow foam. Oh, it's all back there as well. Oh, that's where that moss was. So it must be, there was literally moss here and where that foam is, so it must be just like the damp spots where the water's been dripping in. Yeah, it's literally slopping in. Cup holder?
Is there a cup holder?
There is. Technically there's two, but as we're only the need for one.
The key down.
Oh, you got the bongo one in there. The one you want, the one with the Mazda logo.
That should be that one. There we go.
On the money, Reg.
She's alive.
Absolutely spot on.
With all that jet wash on the engine bay.
And snow foaming. I forgot to film the snow foam in the engine bay. Yeah, that was like the main bit. Yeah, I know, this is the worst YouTubing series ever. Looks the same.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
No,
That
that's
looks
cleaner.
a bit cleaner.
No, it's better. All the leaves are gone from behind there.
This is like a new.
It's good, Rob. Skulls. Looking good.
It's literally a good jet wash.
Right, start her up without the bag on the alternator this time. Has it locked itself?
And the keys are in it.
Really?
Really?
That's quite awkward, isn't it?
Oh dear.
How's that happened?
I don't know. Where's the we'll have to get, at least we've got a big hole. Well, I'm not too worried.
Can that... You can push that down, surely?
No.
Oh.
We need a big rod. We need a man.
I don't know anyone called Rod. Yeah, down a bit. If you do the driver's side, would it be?
We need a bigger rod. Right, it's a bit cleaner now. It's a much nicer place to be in here. A lot less mould and stuff, which is good. Where have I just put the... I've just pulled these off the... can you even see that? Kind of. I've pulled this old thingy off. Handbrake, that came off as well. They just like fell off. They weren't on there very well. So let me just get the other ones. There you go. Right. It's a bit dirty, but I'm going to put it on. It's a bit dirty, but I'm going to put it on, make sure it fits properly first before I give it a scrub. I'm pretty sure these just screw in, but there's a lot of tape around this. I'm assuming so the last guy could like fill it out a bit maybe, so it's... Oh, okay, I see, there's like a sleeve on it. There you go. Easy peasy. Bosh. A bit of string as well. Nice. Right, let's get rid of that. Spot on. To make sure the numbers are the right way. I think that clips in there somehow. Don't know, I'll have a look at that in a sec. We've got the button, so all we need is that little thing. So, no, where's the lever bit gone? There's the old ones. Where's the lever-gator gone? Not an alligator, an lever-gator. I think that's what they're called. Haha! Found it. Oh, well, I've got to jump on, it's so hot today. Right, this all needs a good clean as well, I think. I think that just tucks in down there. Pull that back. Pull that back. And then Christ. Christ. God, that is a struggle to get on. Come on, you beast. My foot on the brake for a sec. Is that right? Needs to go on a little bit more. Oh, there you go. Lovely. Much better than this horrible nonsense that was on there. The state of that. And obviously that was there. Horrific. So now I just need to figure out how to get this bit. Could have done with a little lever gator for that as well. But, oh, what's happened here? Oh, that doesn't look too great. Maybe that needs to... Don't know, I'll sort that out in a sec. But, on to the next bit, I'm going to go and do the light. There you go, so that's what I was saying about the little hole in the light. Not ideal, so I'm going to swap that over now. Just need flathead, not flathead, a posi Aussie drive screwdriver, a pair of gloves because all my tools are minging. Got to stay at them. Take that screw out, and then I think it just, if I remember rightly, just pulls out. No, it doesn't. There's a bolt on the back. Shows how long it's been since I've taken one of these off. Nice and clean. Kind of. There you go, so there's all the connections there. 1, 2, 3. I'm obviously going to give this a good clean while I'm in here. Might as well. So just pull the bulbs out, pull the cables out of the little holder thing, which there's lots of. There we go. Look at that. Full of water. In the bin. Here's our nice new shiny one. So, I need to give that a quick clean actually. There's no point me going mad cleaning this because you ain't gonna see it. It's all behind the light. So I've just done like the main, because that's all covered up there. So you're only gonna see like around here, which is fine. And which one was which? I think that was that one. So just put the bulbs all back in and then clip all the cables back into the little holder things, cable runs, whatever they are, like that. And then should slot the little bolt things, studs, whatever they are, they should just go flat through the holes. Put the nuts back on, screw back in. Now I've got to give it a test, so it's only me here, so I'm going to have to test it on my own, so I'm going to have to use the footage that you're going to see, because I'll be able to watch it back on the camera in a sec to make sure it all works. Right, it's a good start, indicators work. Lights work. Fog light works. And I'm going to assume the brake light works, which I'll check in a sec, but I imagine it did. There we go, much better. Giving it a good clean. Well, quite a good clean, not perfect. Bit of polish, new rear light. What else do we do? Handbrake, gear stick, locked ourselves out. Yeah, I think it's looking alright. Oh, and the engine bay as well, we've done that, didn't we? So yeah, anyway, next video, no idea, but subscribe either way and then you'll find out. It's free. Yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.